Hello people! Welcome to this playlist on Sudoku. Here, I will be attempting to solve 10 million Sudoku puzzles. The Kaggle dataset of 10 million puzzles is used for this purpose. It is a public domain dataset, free for use. What is Sudoku? A Sudoku is a common number puzzle that can be seen in newspapers and online portals. It is a 9x9 grid, and the idea is to fill numbers from 1 to 9 in such a way that each column, each row, and each region contains all the 9 digits, exactly once. A region refers to the 3x3 grid, either in white or gray. There are 9 rows, 9 columns, and 9 regions. They are a great pastime, well, for me at least. But, when thinking about solving the Sudoku puzzles using computers, most common approaches are backtracking and machine learning algorithms. However, I am of the opinion that a Sudoku is a puzzle of strategic elimination. It is not one of brute forcing or prediction. Hence, I developed a strategic algorithm to solve the Sudoku, which evaluates each place and eliminates the digits that do not satisfy the constraints of the puzzle. To be honest, it was very rewarding, and I am happy to share this with you. This algorithm has been validated, using a similar dataset of 1 million puzzles and solutions. Over the course of this playlist, I will be solving the 10 million puzzles, which is an ambitious task. The puzzles will be in sorted order. The empty grids will be considered as 0 when sorting the puzzles. For example, as far as these two puzzles are concerned, puzzle 1 will come before puzzle 2. This is because empty positions are converted to zeros before sorting. If you are solving a puzzle, and if you're stuck somewhere, have a look at this playlist. Chapters will be provided for easy navigation to the specific puzzle you want to locate. Starting from the next video in this playlist, we'll be solving 10 million puzzles. To know how I solve 10 million puzzles and more Python tutorials, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell icon. Until next time, happy learning!